Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 168 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, the three wings of defense, the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force require to be well equipped and modernized. Ours is a country with a great population. I know our difficulties also. In the present world situation, it will not be possible for us to remain second rate in regard to possession of modern armaments. Defense is a very complicated problem nowadays in this world. We have not got that technical know how. We have not got those technicians who can manufacture modern weapons in our country. Even then, the defense ministry is efficient. It has tried to manufacture as far as possible new machinery and modern weapons. Then the problem of development is equally, or if I may say so, more important. It all depends upon how we progress. To shape the future of our country requires huge funds of money. We are a poor country, and I am told that taxation in our country is the highest compared to other countries of the world. The question therefore arises as to how we shall meet the situation. New wealth has to be created. New sources of wealth have to be explored, and in these matters, we cannot depend upon friendly countries for coming to our aid in times of necessity. The country must have that self reliance, and in course of time it should be our aim to reach that stage when this country can produce all its requirements, can have its own defense, can have its own development, and can stand on its own legs. If we were to dilate on this, it will take a very long time, and everybody in this house knows the difficulties and the complications of the situation. But even then, I might suggest that this question of development requires to be very carefully handled. Now, wealth comes from two sources. One is agriculture and the other is industry. And agriculture is the main base for development purposes. But what do we find about the position of agriculture in our country? I think our Prime Minister suggested that in all the states, the Chief Minister should take over the portfolio of agriculture, looking to its importance in the situation. But I do not find any Chief Minister caring to accept the suggestion and take over the portfolio of agriculture in his hands. That shows how serious we are in meeting the situation.